Welcome to this particular system, desktop, 20 desktops we can provide you. And Spectre WM is one of them. It's a tiling window manager. And this video is not for Spectre WM alone, because we're working on Picom. And Picom used to be Compton. So, as usual, I tend to do that in many videos. I always say, look first at our own tutorials on ArcoLinux.com, ArcoLinuxD.com, but in general we always do ArchWiki Spectre WM, or in this case I would like to type Picom. Learn about the application Picom from anywhere. Any source is good, and we're going to talk about this thing not in detail, but just showing you. This is a VirtualBox, right? This is a VirtualBox graphics adapter. Basically, the terminal is not nice in the sense that I like my transparency, and of course it's going to work great on real metal. So it's actually just for the users on VirtualBox, and it, again, think out of the box. Compton or Picom is applicable on many desktop environments, not just Spectre WM. So it's a general video. You analyze what desktop you're on. You figure out where is my picom.conf. This is Spectre WM, which means it has here a line and it has here a .config Spectre WM. You figure that out, and here is the picom.conf, and we've added scripts to toggle it, to say on and off. Maybe you want to have it off and on at some particular moment in time. And here is the Picom, so the new name is Picom, and then you open it, for instance, with this one, and it only says run application with a configuration. And where is the configuration? There. So everything should match. If you want to change things, everything should match. Want to know more about the application? You don't need to go to the internet. It's here, man Picom. Remember also the application -h, dash help, that's one thing. And a shorter version often is this one. So you can type in these after any of our commands, right? So if you want to know the man pacman, which is one of the most important things to know about your package manager, it's all here. Never go look online, it's here. Okay, so this video is about Picom. You know now where it is. The file is there. It's going to be started here. And so what? Well, you can change these things, the Picom things. So man Picom, all of that can be changed. All the words you see here are actually switches, but having a long switch is maybe less maintainable and efficient than just having a picom.conf. Let's have a look at that. With a super F, I'm gonna full screen my Sublime text and make a little bit bigger for you as well. Control find. Everywhere we have set this line, vertical synchronization, match the refresh rate of the monitor. This breaks transparency only in VirtualBox. So this is the right way to set it, but not in VirtualBox. So we put a hashtag in front of this, we save it, we do super F again to get out of full screen. This is a tiling window manager. You can make it bigger and smaller if you like it. I'm super queuing this thing, so quit the left thing, super Q. And vsync through is saved. There is no button up here, no small circle up here, which means it's saved. If I change this thing, extra space, you see this button. It's a ball, you have a circle, right? So delete the space again. Nothing is to be saved at this point in time, but it still shows it. So Control S, okay. That's that. Now, will it work, right? Control T, it's still black, but we have a keyboard shortcut. Let's maybe go step by step. So let's go here. Where's my keyboard shortcut to toggle? My keyboard shortcut to toggle, I find it in the simple X hotkey daemon. That's this one. You can just say Sublime text, open it for me. Again, it's going to be open, but somewhere else, right? It's going to be opened here. and then maybe Picom would be a good guess. And here it is, Ctrl-Alt-O. But once you're in tiling window managers, you see that Herpsluft's awesome Qtile, it's all Ctrl-Alt-O all the time. So once you know the keyboard shortcut, that's cool. Ctrl-Alt-O, and there you go. Maybe I'll change my wallpaper a little bit so you see some things change. Whoa. There you go. So that's just a video about the transparency inside a VirtualBox, probably VMware too. I haven't tried yet, so let me know if you tried it in VMware, if that works too. I guess so, but guessing is not knowing. Never assume, try it out. Alright guys, have fun with the transparent terminal in your VirtualBox.